how to solve the problem about the wobble and noise made of the seat seam.
Wobble, maybe just some customer you found there's a seam in here. Replace this inner seam. Okay, so the first step that we need to release this knob. It will show 7 or 8 the strap, and then you can get out of this one. Okay, that is the first step. The second step, just see this one. Got a little point. You need to use your screw or something tough to squeeze it, and then to replace it. It's a little bit hard, okay? See? Yeah, just remember that still to pull this one. Okay, that you take out of this one. Okay, if you got the new one, just put it, and just remember, if you want to resemble it, just use something tough to squeeze this place. Sorry, this is a little bit tough. Yeah. So things like this, you need two persons to do it. Squeeze it and squeeze, and that is finished. The last step, just pull this one, and then resemble it, and then tighten it. So it's finished. Okay, 行。